What's up, y'all? Good morning. Good morning, beautiful people. Damn, I haven't done this shit in so long. It feels like a long time, dude. It feels like a long ass time. I think, dude, it's been like, what, like a month or something? Or like 3 weeks? Has to have been a month or something. Has to have been a month or something, bro. I got stage fright. I got the jitters. This is crazy. Well, hopefully we can go back to scheduled programming and continue on with the live streams and trading and education and getting better together. All right. So, what time is it? 9:31? Okay. First things first. I don't know what the fuck is going on with the world. So, let's go to the economic calendar and see what we got. So, 10 a.m. we got wholesale inventories. So, something to look out for. Okay. So, I'm not going to trade the first 15 minutes of the day. We're going to let the market pick its direction. So what we're going to do now is we are going to do some charting. We are definitely going to do some charting and see where we at in price ranges and support and resistance and what's the trading range for the day. Good morning, Fat Mac. It's been a long time since I said good morning to you on the stream. So like I was saying, So we're gonna see what is the trading ranges, the intraday trading ranges, where we can see where we're trading for the day. So we're gonna start on the 1 hour. That's where I start at for intraday. For swing trading, it's different, probably like 4 hour day week. For intraday, I'll do 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. If I can't find nothing on the one, I'll find it on the 30. If I can't find it on the 30, well, most likely I do find it on the 30. I zoom in on the 15. But whatever I find on the 1 hour or 30 minute, I zoom in onto it on the 15 minute to get a more bird's eye, not bird's eye view, a more microscopic view on it. In back full effect. That's right, bro. So let's go ahead and chart where we are at in the intraday trading ranges. So okay, on the 1 hour. So I'm looking at this right over here as a point of reference and see if I can match anything or align anything. It's 9:33. I got 15. I'm gonna let the first 15 minutes pass. We're gonna do it for M2K. We're gonna do it next for the Dow Jones on MYM, and then next we're gonna do it on MES. I don't trade M and Q right now, so I'm not gonna do M and Q, but we're gonna do those three. So I can probably see something, right here. We have rejection right here, as this used to be resistance, now it's turned support. So if we zoom in right here, we're trading around that range. So we can possibly highlight this. I like to use boxes and shade it together, just like that. An area of support where price is trading at. We zoom in on the 5 minute, we can see it more granular here, where price got supported here. And looks like we're coming on back a little bit up. So let's go on the 30 minute and zoom in. So let's see what we got. It's the same thing, same view on the 30 minute. This area is an area that we should look out for on the 30 minute. We'll go on the 15 minute real quick. And yep, same thing. So I have a price range of where price action is trading, on where to look at on M2K. So let's move on to MYM, because those are the three that I'm trading. M2K, MYM, or MES. So those are the three that I'm doing. Let's go on the 1 hour right here and see if we can find a clear area. So we have something like maybe like around here. Are we trading around it? Yeah, we kind of are. So right off the bat, I can give you points of reference right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. So price came to this area, rejected, rejected, came back, rejected, rejected, came back, rejected once more, consolidation, finally breakout, breakout, retest that resistance that became support, came up, broke through, and now we're trading that once again. So this is a perfect example of effective support and resistance. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and plot that just like that. So we now I have the price range of where price action is trading at. So that's how you guys would do it. For intraday trading, I go on the 1 hour. If I can't find anything on 1 hour, I go on the 30 minute. Then we go on the 15 minute and we take a deep dive and look at it to see if it's actually respecting it, and it sure is coming over here respecting it. Where else? We come back over here. It sure is. It's got rejected. We come back over here. It sure is. It got rejected. Oh, my trading view is lagging. So it got rejected right over there. So we have a clear price range of where MYM is trading, and then now we're back today, right here where price came and instantly got bought back up to shoot back up. So we're gonna do one more on MES It's 9:37. We still got a few minutes left until we let the first 15 minutes of chop go by. Good morning, Lizzie. How you doing? Welcome to the show. So let's take this out and let's go on to the 1 hour and plot our price ranges for the 1 hour. Look, oh shit, look. Looks like we did a gap fill right there. There was a gap, and it looks like, well, we didn't fill the gap here. We filled the gap over here. But I just wanted to mention that gap. So right now we are trading here. What's up, Choi? Good morning, bro. So right now we're trading around this area. Can I find something close enough? Probably. Yeah, I can, I can already mark it. Right here on the 1 hour. This right here. This right here is I would mark. We're trading in that range right now as we speak. We're trading in that range. You can get clear price action, respecting it right over here. Price support bounce, support bounce, support bounce, until eventually it broke it off. We smashed right through it, and we're trading on that right now because price action is consolidating in that range. Look at that clear price action just jumping off of this right here. We came down all the way and slowly got bought back up, and we're trending up to the upside. So we got our ranges where we're trading at on M2K, MES, on MYM. But my primary targets are M2K and MYM. So we're gonna be trading that. But first we're gonna look at M2K. MYM rejecting. What'd you say, Chewy? Can I take the trade as you do or will? What's up, Norman? MYM rejecting onto 15 on the 200. Okay. All right. So 9:45 more, 5 more minutes. So let's go ahead and open up shop. Let's go ahead and open up shop right here. So I mean, I got the 90 EMA, 20 EMA, 50 EMA using Super Trend 200, of course. And VWAP is a real thing. That's what I'm using to trade. Let's go to ESET, go to MYM on the 15-minute because it's rejecting off the 200, and it sure is. That's also another thing that I like to look at. If intraday trading, where that 200 EMA is on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, and sometimes on the 1 hour, not all the time. But the 15 and the 30-minute are more closer to the time frames that we trade, which are the 5 and the 2-minute. I use those multiple confluences to align my trades on the correct direction. And I'm very aware of where, for example, you take a position on the 5-minute or something, or 2-minute, you come up here and then the 200 EMA on the 15 minutes there, that would be a take profit level where I would take it at. So let's go on in 2K. So on the 15-minute, we're right there. We're still just chopping around, not doing shit. There is no clear trend at all. No clear trend at all. So I'm still waiting for price action to do its thing. There's no trend at all. On MYM, every single morning, MYM does an exaggerated move on market open every single time. Every single time you take a position on MYM, it does an exaggerated move. And it trends down. Usually right here with this big ass candle, you can probably see it trend down all the way. If you go back to 9:30, what was it, on Friday or something like that? Sunday. Okay, 9:30 right here. On MYM, you always see an exaggeration of price action and doing still on MYM. So a lot of times on MYM, if you align up whatever indicators you use on pre-market on MYM, you can if your indicators tell you to go long on MYM on pre-market, you can literally ride that up and just quickly get out of that because MYM has a very constant repeating pattern on market open to do an exaggerated move and then come back to whatever is the opposite direction every single time. Not every single time, but majority of the time it really does. Oh, good morning, everybody. How you doing? So nothing to trade here yet. Let's go ahead and go to MES. Um, Still nothing. So by the way, just a FYI, the indicators that I am using is MACDs, but this is a different variation of MACD. These MACDs, the one thing about the MACD that I don't like is that it's lagging. So that's why a lot of people talk shit about the MACD, that it's a lagging indicator because it uses um what is it, the 9 and 12 simple moving averages, which they're delayed data in a sense. I mean, you can still use it, but you still use the MACD regularly, and it'll still be a powerful tool. But what I use is I use a zero lag MACD, which uses um an indicator on TradingView that somebody made. It's called zero lag EMAs. They because sometimes price action leaves the EMAs and it'll leave it behind in the dust. And eventually price action comes up to meet it or comes down to meet it again. Someone invented a zero lag EMA, and the concept of zero lag EMA is being used on this MACD, which will give you slightly more accurate signals, which is why I use it. Um, I use two of them. This one right here, it's 81 20 18 is the settings that I use because this one dictates the broader trend, and then I have just a regular MACD that dictates the shorter trend. So I use both of them hand in hand, as long with along with RSI. So those are the tools that I use. Exactly. Pop up the like, fools. All right, so let's go ahead and see what M2K is doing. So still has not picked a direction yet. It's still chopping around. We are gonna wait and see M2K play out and show its hand and pick a direction. Most likely, well, I don't know about most likely, because 10 a.m. we have data. I don't know how significant that data is gonna react. Um, Still to the downside on MYM. We do have that 200 EMA on the 5 minute there, so I would much rather even enter a position here is to break that 200 and really confirm that candle to keep going down. That's the only way that I'll trade it. Yeah. Um. So yeah, that's what it is right now. Hopefully, you know, max trade that I'm gonna do three trades, three trades max. Um, and I'll make sure that those trades actually count. No FOMOing. Just regular rules and the regular plan that I usually have. Just no FOMOing, taking appropriate plays, make sure they align correctly, and just be completely smart with it. Let me take a look at what MNQ is doing. As usual, MNQ moves, so slow. I just don't have the portfolio size big enough. Well, I do, but I'm not comfortable with the risk that I have to take on MNQ, which is why I trade M2K on MYM. When I build a bigger portfolio, I'll probably go on to MNQ, but you do need a little bit of risk to play that. That's why I don't play it anymore. I used to play it, not no more though. But price action looks very good here. But this is spanning to market open, so I mean you can easily jump onto this trend and keep going. But you are a little bit oversold on RSI. So still nothing right here. On MYM, it looks like it's showing its hand a bit. We got rejected off the 200 and we're coming back up. So let me stick on here and watch MYM. We're gonna stay right here. Because the MYM moves faster than M2K. M2K follows MYM. Majority of the time it does. So this play right here looks like it's developing faster than M2K. So hopefully what I can see. Oh wait, another thing. It looks like we're trying to break that 15-minute 200 EMA. We are a little bit on the oversold side, but that doesn't mean anything. That just means we have price strength. So I do want to. I'm gonna put a line right here, right across, so I can, be mindful of where that 200 EMA is on the 15-minute. If we go, let me look at the 30. On the 30, it's over here. Let me plot that right there. So just to be mindful of where everything is at. Okay, I'm still not taking a trade though. Still waiting for price action to do its thing. I really want to wait to make it show its hand. So we do have some price momentum to the upside right here. Here. Let me see. Super trend is right there. Let me plot that there. Let's go on the 2-minute. Okay. Looks like it's showing its hand on the 2-minute. So I could take a play right here above super trend. So let me take a position right here. Around there. Let's see if I can scalp and move to the upside. It's a little bit premature. On the 5-minute we do have a MACD cross. We are a little bit bullish. It's okay. Let's see. Let's take a look. Damn, we got a massive candle. Well, that went completely wrong. That's fine. We're gonna let MYM do its thing. We are above an RSI and we do have a MACD cross, so we're gonna let price action develop and do its thing. So the reason I took this position is because my 5-minute is bullish right now. We do have that 15-minute 200 EMA right there on this yellow line. I am mindful of that. And I want to target just above super trend on the 5-minute, so that's why I have my take profit right there. We are bullish right here on the 2-minute. RSI is up, MACD is up, so I'm just allowing this thing to develop. Unfortunately, can't control the market. I got to shoot my shot. We do have this fucking death candle, this big ass red candle right there, but it's all right. That's all right. I just have to have trust in the play that I take. So that's fine. So we got price continuing to go up. We go on that 5-minute. We're still looking pretty bullish. Massive buying pressure here to continue up. So price came, rejected off 200 in VWAP, back above EMAs, and now we're trailing up. Super trend is right over here on the 5-minute. So I do expect some resistance right there on that super trend level. So that's why I put my take profit just a bit above that super trend level to, see if I can capture a little bit more. We do have the whole moving average pivoting up and going up, and we do have my EMAs crossing up. So we're gonna go ahead and allow this play to develop. Right now it's going good. Super trend levels right there, so I'm gonna be mindful of that. Let's see how it develops. I'm gonna move up my stop a bit. So far, so good. Price is coming on up. We just hit that super trend level, so I have to be mindful of that. Hopefully we can break it. Look at that clear reaction right there on super trend. I want to see if we can break past and hit my take profit. We do have my bigger trend MACD maker cross coming on up, this MACD coming on up. So we do have the momentum to push past that super trend level, but as I plotted right there, there is a reaction there. That could have been a perfect take profit area, but I want to see where price action develops. So let me move up my stop even more. Let's see what happens here. I have a level around 47.62. Believe I plotted from the 1 hour, maybe. So that's a good reference point. Thank you, E. So I have a good take profit area. So let's go ahead and see if we can actually hit that. I'm gonna move my stop a little bit more. Let's see if it can really break that super trend level. That super trend level is a real level, and I could have easily just took profit on that area. But it's all right. We still have strength on this play. We go on the 5-minute. We still have strength on this play. Let's see what happens. We got 4 minutes till data, so ooh, we're cutting it close. Move my stop up a bit. Yeah, we definitely got rejected off super trend right there. That that would have been a good take profit area. Should have took profit. So let's see what happens. We still have strength in this play. If it comes back and stops me out, oh well, bro. That's what trading is. That's what trading is. Hopefully I gave it enough breathing room to do its thing. Let me take a look at the 15-minute real quick. So we're still trying to break above that 200 EMA. So I think we can do it. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Let's see what happens here. Smash that pinky finger. What's up, Glitch? I think price action go up there. I have multiple confluences. Super trend is green. EMAs are expanding. Whole moving average is pivoting up. We're above the 200. Is fucking me up though. But within this next candle, we should be breaking above it, which is very bullish. Very bullish. What's up, Paul? Good morning, bro. Long time no see, dude. How you doing, man? Come on, price action. Let me get a green day on the first day back of streaming. Come on. Yeah, we got data in a minute too, so I'm just gonna leave my stop loss right there. If the data fucks me up, it is what it is. 17 seconds till data. Let's see if data will fuck me up or not. I should have took the profit at the super trend level up there. Oh well. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, bro. Okay, looks like data released. And we should be above that 200 EMA on the 50-minute. Should. We are. We just closed above it. We just closed above it. So still have strength in the play. So I'm gonna leave my stop loss as is. We're gonna leave it as is. I'm using it as a study day and a journal day. Huh. That's very fucking disciplined of you, bro. I just be we're go ahead and trading. I'll study and log it at the same time. Good for you, dude. Good for you. Jeez. Come on, MYM. You usually move way faster than this. Okay. Not too bad. All right. Looks like we're picking up some strength. RSI is still above 50. No worries. Take a look at that 5-minute. 5 minutes still red, and we're rejecting off. RSI is below its moving average. Okay, so that super trend level was a very strong level right there. That super trend level was a very strong level. It's all right. What's up, bro? Thank you. I appreciate it, dude. Thank you for stopping by. We're coming back strong, baby. Yeah, we're having so much consolidation in that area. I don't even like the play anymore. So yeah, on the 5-minute doesn't. I mean, on the 50-minute doesn't look too good at all. It's okay. We're gonna leave our stop as is. All right, am I in any trade? Absolutely. I mean, you can. I'm in the Dow Jones right here. I'm in a trade there. It missed my take profit by how many ticks? 8 ticks. It missed my take profit by 8 ticks though. That fucking sucks, right? So, rule of thumb, we learned something today. Super trend could be used as a take profit level. So, you should probably take profit on super trend because I would have been out of this play already. Now we're back onto waiting. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. We're still bullish there. Yeah, we're just consolidating this price range right there. I mean, we're above that 200. I mean, we're still picking up strength, so I'm leaving my take profit right there. I mean, my stop loss. I'm sorry. All right, so we got consolidation onto the 9 EMA. Price is bouncing off of that 9 EMA. So let's go ahead and do the smart thing, and we're gonna put our take profit at super trend at 40.71.51. My take profit's gonna be right there. That's how you scalp super trends. Beautiful. And then we gotta look at that price wick right there on super trend, because like I said, super trend is a level that you should probably use as a take profit. So originally, right now it's probably to smash super trend because they already hit it one time right here, and it's coming a second time to finally break past that. But you're gonna see a little bit of resistance. So instead of fucking around and finding out in, oh, let's see if on the second go round we break past super trend, you know what? I'm just gonna put my take profit at super trend and just get out of the anxiety of the trade. So lesson learned here. The lesson that we learned is to take the profit at the super trend level. That's what we learned. We're back, E. We're back. We're back on a green day. I played M&Q super trend for rejection, and guess what? Price action blew past it and got stopped out. Damn, so you got stopped out, dude. So, huh? Yeah, I mean that it happens, bro. See what I mean? You know, on the second go round, we blew past super trend. On the second go round, we blew past it. So instead of fucking around and finding out, like he said, just take the fucking money. I took the fucking money because what I learned the first time right here, oh, got rejected, and then I had to go through this pain of suffering of coming back on down, you know. But the trend was still bullish, and we're still coming on up. So that's great. And now we're price is exploding. But hey, that's where the psychology is, that itch in the back of our gambling minds. Oh, I should have stayed in the play and I could have gotten more. Fuck that, bro. Just take your money and just be out of here. So now we are taking trade on a 2 minute. Not we, me. I'm taking trades on the 2 minute. I still play the 5. I still play the 5 minute. All my trades are still based on the 5 minute, but my entries and exits are on the 2 minute. That's the difference. I zoom in on a granular view, because on the 5 minute, you do have to wait a whole 5 minutes for price action confirmation. And sometimes price will move on without you when you can go on the 2 minute. For example, what I did here on the 5 minute, this is a play by play on how I executed this trade. The trend is up. First, on the 15 minute, the 200 EMA is right there, so I plotted that. Damn, look at price action just exploding. What gave me extra confirmation on staying on the play is price action closing above the 200, which made me want to stay on this trade. Anyways, I plotted on the 15 minute. Then I look on the 5. Market open, came down to VWAP and the 200. We got rejected off the 200 and VWAP. Price action moved up above the EMAs. We are still bullish in our indicators. RSI is I took a position here RSI is above 50, it's above its moving average, and the MACD is green. So once I saw price action was coming above the EMAs, that's when I went on the 2-minute and executed a trade there, because right here, my MACD was green and RSI was above 50. So I took a more granular entry on the 2-minute and ride that and exit out on the 2-minute. So that's how you use the higher time frames of like the 15, the 30-minute, 5-minute, and then you can take a position on 2-minute and do that. But that's a play-by-play on how I entered this trade. When I entered here on the 2-minute, I plotted this right here. That white line is the 5-minute super trend, which could be used as a take profit level. Clearly, it got rejected the first time, came back down, consolidated on the 9 EMA and the 20 EMA. Usually, when price action comes down back to the EMAs, that's where a lot of people exit positions, add on positions, or take positions, because price action always comes back to the EMAs, stays there, bounces off as confirmation. If that made sense. I played the MYM2, but later entry as my criteria didn't line up until 47.33 still green. 47.33. So I'm assuming that criteria was on the 5-minute. I'm assuming that. Makes sense. Got it, bro. Not bad strat. I guess I also will look into it and have 2 minutes on the side. Thank you, bro. No problem, bro. You're welcome, dude. I mean, I'm just here to help whoever I can. And yeah, price is exploding up. Damn, to the 30-minute 200. Damn, that's a big ass move. But hey, I'm green, bro. All I care about, baby. All I care is that I had a green entry onto my TradeZilla, and we're gonna have a rejection here on the 30-minute. Right there. Look at that rejection, baby. Look at that rejection. That's why you have to zoom out, gather your information of what is going on. But yeah, 2011. If you probably got a late entry because you probably did it on the 5-minute right here. That's what I'm saying. On the 5-minute, you have to wait a whole 5 minutes. One thing I do like about the 5-minute though, because in reality, huge majority of people know that 5 minutes kind of king. I really like the 5-minute, but I'm using it in a different way, because so many times I have seen price action develop and go far away because I'm waiting for that confirmation on the 5. But so I got that in my head, and I'm like, well, maybe I can use the bias of the 5-minute to dictate if I want to take a trade in a smaller time frame to get a more sniper shot entry. Because if you're waiting like on your candles and like EMAs or whatever, or MACDs or whatever indicators, they confirm on the 5-minute. So you're waiting for it to land on the 5-minute. But if you know that price action is already rejected off the 200, rejected off of VWAP, you're above the EMAs, that's already a lot of confirmation to tell you that you are bullish. So you don't have to wait for a confirmation of a candle on the 5-minute or an indicator on the 5-minute. You don't have to wait for that confirmation when you can use like a 3-minute or a 2-minute to take an entry there, because on the 5-minute, you know that you're bullish. The candle just hasn't closed yet, and the confirmation on the indicators hasn't closed yet on the 5-minute, but you know that it's bullish. So why not take an entry like on the 3 minute or 2 minute or maybe even 1 minute? 1 minute's a little bit too fucking crazy. But you can like on the three, close enough to the five, it give you 2 minutes earlier into the trade and ride that. Nice show, first day back. Hell yeah, bro. MNQ is up 250 points. God damn! Let me look at MNQ. Jeez. I mean, the only way you would enter that is the pullback on the 90 MA and you keep on going. That's crazy, bro. Well, I think you're green today, right? I think that's what you said. Good for you, brother. All right, so MNQ is at the 15 on the 200. And that's where your take profit will be. Good shit, E. You're being very mindful of where you are on the chart, because adding multiple indications of where you are on the chart will give you a bigger edge than everybody else. Because a lot of people, they would write it up and they write up to like a resistance level or a 200 EMA, like on a bigger time frame. They're like, oh, know where you're at in the chart. Yes, you're green today. Good for you, bro. Good for you. I'm proud of you, dude, that you're green. Because it's very hard to trade. Very, very hard to trade. And if you can be green, even if it's just a bit, it's all that matters, bro. That's all that matters because the gains stack up over a long time. Unfortunately, we pick the profession that takes a long time to achieve. So just enjoy the journey. All right, I'm out of here. Thank God that I was able to make a trade super quick so early in the morning and be out of there. Thank you guys for joining. I'll be back tomorrow. Right? There's no holidays tomorrow, right? Tuesday. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Have a good